As the world of technology evolves, Yamaha furthers the experience offered to its riders. To deliver a whole new level of connectivity and convenience, we've brought a new app, the Yamaha Motorcycle Connect. You can download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple's App Store. Once downloaded, sign up by filling in the details and connect. Now that you are connected, let's begin. What if your bike's LCD console could show you the latest notifications from your smartphone? From call alerts, emails, text messages, your phone's battery percentage to even the time. Get all these displayed on your bike's LCD console. It helps to know how fuel efficient your riding style is, isn't it? Find out the average fuel efficiency and fuel consumed in a day, a month, or even a year. Be on top of your ride's maintenance with personalized recommendations for battery and engine oil replacement. Oil change reminders are based on parameters like distance, riding style, and time duration. Want to locate your bike? Just click the Parking Location tab and find out exactly where you last parked your bike. Wondering what else we've got in store? Don't worry, there's a lot more coming your way. Just register your vehicle at a Yamaha outlet and you'll receive a notification whenever a warning light pops up on the LCD console of your vehicle. Apart from this, email messages are sent out to your registered email addresses. And you can reach out to your registered dealer for further assistance. While the instrument cluster displays important information, there's a lot more that you can discover in the Revs Dashboard, where information is displayed in a bar type or rotation type. You can find out things like RPM, instantaneous fuel economy, intake air temperature, eco indicator, degree of throttle opening, and rate of acceleration. Want to find out where you stand? Just click Ranking. You'll be ranked based on the distance covered and mileage. Find your rank for your model or all models. Measure yourself against riders in your country and across the world. Go ahead, enjoy the app.
Yes, Yamaha.